Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Jotform for LinkedIn job interest forms step by. Visit the Jotform website. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner. You can choose to sign up using your email address or by connecting with Google. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address and create a secure password. Then, click on the Get Started button. Check your email for a verification message from Jotform. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Jotform site and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Click on the Create Form button. Select Start from Scratch or choose a template suitable for job interest forms. If you choose a template, browse through the available options and select one that fits your needs. Once the form is open, customize it to include fields such as name, email, job title, and any other relevant information. You can drag and drop fields from the menu on the left side. To add a section for comments or questions, include a text area field. Adjust the settings for each field to ensure they are required or optional as needed. Once your form design is complete, click on the Publish tab at the top. You will find options for sharing your form, including a direct link. Copy the link provided. This will be used for sharing on LinkedIn. Return to your LinkedIn profile. Navigate to the section where you want to share the job interest form. Create a new post and paste the link to your Jotform. Add a brief description inviting connections to fill out the form. Once finished, click Post to share it with your network. You have successfully registered with Jotform and shared your job interest form on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.